Guys, we have got some fun crown making to do today. I have a crown from the Dollar Tree, and I want to show you guys how we are going to make this look like something not from the Dollar Tree. Not that that's a bad thing, but we're going to dazzle this up. We are going to first give it a base coat of white chalk paint. Okay. That needs to be on. Now, I'm gonna set this over here to the side. I've got this, it's called white gold. And we're gonna go over this with this white gold paste. But it is a paste that you would use on a stencil or something. So I'm going to put it with a little water. I'm gonna spritz it with a little water just to make it a little less thick. Okay. And I just mix up a little bit at a time because it really does go a long way. And now I'm going to paint it on here. I want to show you what this looks like. Love, love, love this. Okay, so hold on. It's white, right? You see it's white? Now watch. Can you see that gold tint? I also have let's see, this one's the pearl gold. Okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of shading on this a little bit. Okay, so you saw I just took a little bit of that paste out of there. And I just put it right in the white. Okay, so I'm thinning this out a little bit. And I'm just gonna brush it on the edges. There's my crown, and it's just tinged with gold, okay? This one is called Pale Gold. Y'all, look at this. Look at how gorgeous that is. So now we are going to go around and I want each one of these painted this gold because here's that. Love it, love it, love it. Now we're going to paint this down here. And so far, this is what we've got. Okay, I've got my hot glue. I'm going to put my hot glue in the center and set that right in there. Then I found 4 matching ones. I was going to use 4 different ones, but I did find 4 matching ones. So I'm going to use 4 matching ones. But you can use all different designs on this, okay? You can use all different designs on this. I put a dollop of hot glue. So far, look at that. Look at how cute that is, y'all. What a piece de la resistance. Oh, here we go. Are y'all ready? I don't know if y'all are. Okay. You guys, look at that. Hold on, I'm gonna do something real quick. I wanna finish out these edges a little bit. Let me get my pigment, my gold pigment. And I wanna define these edges just a tad. Yeah, that totally finished that out. Okay, so I've got my Mod Podge. So now I'm gonna diamond dust this baby. Thing I do. Oh my gosh, you guys. It is absolutely delicious. I love, love, love this.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.